guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you everything that came in my Allure Beauty Box for the month of September 2019. This is a monthly beauty subscription box that includes skincare and makeup. You have high-end, you have drugstore, you have indie brands. A little bit of everything. It is $15 a month and you get 5+ products. A lot of them are deluxe sample sizes. Sometimes you do get full-size products. This is one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes out of the ones that I've tried. This month they included something. It says bonus gift. It's a $20 value. There's supplements, which I don't really use supplements. This is called Nutrafol Core for Women Hair Wellness from Within. It has 28 capsules. It says it's formulated to multi-target key root causes that compromise hair health. Made with natural ingredients clinically shown to increase hair growth and improve hair quality in women. 100% drug-free, 7-day supply to kick off your hair wellness ritual. 7-day supply, but there's 28 capsules. If that's a 7-day supply, that'd be like saying you take 4 a day. Yep, serving size 4 capsules. Wow, that's interesting. Moving on, I got an Perfect Smooth shampoo and conditioner. So these are from Nature Lab Tokyo, and they're for color protectant. So if you color your hair, argan stem cell technology. I love trying shampoo and conditioner, find one that I really love, and then I go out and buy the full size. So I'm always down for deluxe sample size shampoo and conditioner to try out. The next product is Allure Brightening Facial Scrub, sea kelp and French green clay, and it's good for all skin types. So a nice facial scrub. I'll try this out, which is nice. So next product is from La Roche-Posay. I really don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is okay. Oh, it's for eczema. So it's a soothing relief cream for eczema, which is really good for me because in the winter month my hands dry up so much, and I know that's because I wash my hands constantly, so that does not help, but I can't help it. I wash my hands a lot. So that's a little sample one, but I'll definitely use this on my hands. I don't really get too dry, you know, like eczema status anywhere else on my body, so but I'll definitely use that for my hands and see, and if it works better than what I'm currently using, maybe I would invest in a full size of that. So that's cool. So we have 2 more products, and they are makeup products. First one is from NARS, and it looks like it's one of their lip crayons, Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the color Dolce Vita. And, okay, so this looks like a nice, like maybe terracotta shade. It looks like a pretty shade for fall. I don't know, is this full size? It kind of looks like it is, but I could be wrong. Let's see if it says in the, because you get a little pamphlet in every box that tells you about the products. It also includes, some of the products include a coupon code too if you did buy it. Okay, so price $27. These NARS lip pencils retail for $27. So I'm not sure if this is full size or not. I do like the shade. I don't know if I want to swatch it. Yeah, I'm going to swatch it. Although it says it's matte, it feels a little creamier. So that's what the NARS lip pencil looks like. And again, this is in the shade Dolce Vita. I think that's a really pretty shade for fall. And the last product is by Ciate London. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand. This is one of their dewy sticks. It's illuminating, luminous highlighting balm. And I think I was looking at these and did want to try it. Oh, that's a pretty package. Very pretty packaging. Oh, wow. I didn't expect it to look like that. That's like white. Should we swatch it? It's in the shade Glow. Oh my goodness, that's different. That's a balm. It feels like a lip balm. Oh my God, that's cool. This is really cool, guys. You see that? I am super excited to try this out. Let me know if any of you guys have this and if you've tried it and what you think. That's fun, and this is definitely a full size. So I mean, you're paying $15. Some deluxe sample sizes, some full sizes. This is a full size, and I almost think that this is a full size, but I'm not positive. I'm going to go over with you real quick what the retail value of the products are, and of course this is going to tell you the products in full size value. So the NARS lip pencils go for $27. The Ciate London Dewy Stick goes for $26. The Nature Lab, the shampoo and conditioner, full size. Oh, look at the bottles. If you were to buy full size, those are cute bottles. Those go for $14 each, and there is a coupon code Allure19 at checkout to receive 15% off from now till December 31st. And also for the Ciate London Dewy Stick, code Allure19, and you get 20% off through November 1st. Now for the eczema cream, that retails for $14.99. Code Allure20, 20% off till November 1st. And then the Allure brightening facial scrub retails for $9.99. That's not bad. So these look like they're drugstore brands. And code Allure Fall19 to receive 25% off till November 1st. And then is that it? I didn't get eyeshadows. I think that's it. And then for the supplements here, it just says bonus gift supplement on us, a $20 value. I didn't have anything in the pamphlet on the website or anything like that, so I'm not sure about that, but yes. So that is everything that came in my September Allure Beauty Box. I don't see these videos nearly as often as I see BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Those are the two main boxes that I see, and FabFitFun, which I actually have not tried that one, but that's beauty and lifestyle. So it's interesting that I don't see nearly as many videos about this beauty box, and this happens to be really one of my favorites. So comment below if you have it and what you think of it, how long you've had it, if you plan to keep it. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I appreciate so much you clicking on this video and hanging out with me for a little while. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.